single mother. The largest child they can consume at any one time would have to weigh less than 45 pounds.
Good people. Clear. Wave goodbye to the nice people on the docks. Wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Be nice. You're not going to see them again for 2.5 weeks. I'm kidding. You're never going to see them again. That's all right. You've never seen them before. It doesn't matter. My name is Whining Wilderness William, Jungle Boat Skipper, Alligator Wrestler, Snake Charmer, Lion Tamer, Bad Joke Killer. You don't laugh at my bad jokes, swimming instructor. So how many is first time on the Jungle Cruise? Raise your hands right here. Wow. Me too. How many want to get wet? World famous Jungle Cruise. You want to get wet? Raise your hands. All right, jump out. I'm just kidding. Please remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, and feet inside of both. Parents, please watch the children. Children, please watch your parents. I don't trust them. We're going to begin our adventure today in the mighty Amazon. Many dangerous animals lurk there. You never know what you're going to see. Danger lurks behind it. Oh, he's a butterfly right there. Rare species, scientific name, Giganticus plasticus mechanicus. That's the world's largest carnivorous man-eating plastic-coated butterfly. Well, it tastes like chicken. This is Inspiration Falls. Aren't they beautiful? Everybody say, ooh. Not bad, not bad. Everybody say, ah. You know why they call it Inspiration Falls? Just look at it. They say if you stare at it long enough, it inspires you to go. Deeper into the jungle, I think is what they mean by that. We're now changing rivers and continents now. We're in the Congo River, deepest parts of Central Africa. Hey, if I show of hands, how many here have seen the Jungle Book? Wow. If you haven't, here it is. Jungle Book. Yeah, now we've all seen it. Up ahead, a pygmy welcoming party awaits. You know, these guys are open their parties. Something must have scared them off. I can't see anybody. Can it? I can have something definitely scared them off. There's Stu. He's in the pot. Yeah, if you don't get that, it's going to be a long 10 minutes. Over here on the left is a giant snake sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Very friendly creatures. Don't let them develop a crush on you. Be their main squeeze for life. Can anybody tell me what kind of snake that is? I'll give you a hint. It begins with the letter P. Plastic, you were close. Red, yellow, light green, trying to make any sounds like a banana. Those guys find it appealing. Guys, I mean. Yep, that's enough banana jokes. I guess we'll split. Jeep's mine, trying to get it started early. Looks like they finally got it to turn over. Probably used a monkey wrench. How would they call it? 888. Jokes don't get any better now. Yikes! We're on a river now stretching over 4,000 miles long. You don't believe me? You're in denial. Those are some ducks. They look real, don't they? Over on the right, we do have our own African bull elephant. You can tell by his large, floppy ears, long sloping forward in his tusks. It's pretty amazing. With those ears, he can actually hear up to 5 miles away, but it doesn't matter because he's not paying attention. Up ahead, we have this sandstone formation. It's one of our boulder attractions. I know, most people take it for granted. My sediments, exactly. I think it rocks. I think I seem a little jaded. Here on the African Bell, we have our own news group, morning news, afternoon news, and early news. Behind us, very tall cheetahs. Down here at the water jets and ducks, they don't belong here, but there they are. On the rocks, the pride of lions watching over the very own sleeping zebra. That's right, kids, that's how zebras sleep. On their side, with their neck bent, surrounded by lions. I'm just kidding, he's dead. He's tired, sleeping, he's really tired. Some very old zebras over there. You can tell because they're still in black and white. No, Mr. Rhino, what are you doing? Ouch. I went down with a very low man on that totem pole. Talk about a native uprising. I guess you could say their problems are behind them. There's my friend Ina there. Everybody say hi, Ina. Hi, Ina. It's one of those things where you take the two words, you put them together, and you still have a bad joke. At least I'm consistent. I haven't told a good joke yet, and now I could. You're not going to believe this, crew. We're still in denial. That's right. The Nile River stretching for miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, you must be in the boat. Over here we have absolutely nothing, which I'd like to point out. We don't talk about those guys. We're coming up on Slice of Holes now. Slice of Holes named after brain paleontologist Dr. Howard Cole. I'm going to lean in a little bit. We're coming on the waterfall. Just lean in. Lean in. You won't get wet. The water's synthetic. Just lean in. I'm kidding. It's home to one other kinds of bacteria. You're very welcome. I guess at this point you're probably wondering, how did he land this job? It should be plain to see. I took a crash course. That's the tail end of the jokes. And I have to wing it. This is torture, isn't it? I should be grounded. Well, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to our depot pool. Yeah. We're the proud owners of 11 of these magnificent creatures here today. It's not the ones in the water I'm concerned about, it's the ones in the trees. Their beady eyes staring down at us. Whoops. Alright. Those are hungry hippos. Don't worry, they lost their marbles years ago. Oh, look at those guys. Are they dressed to kill? Those are hand hunters. This is a terrible place to be headed. If you don't believe me, you can ask that bunch of them. Everyone has your back, but you can ask. Look, they're dancing in circles. There's a straight instructor quitted. They lost the keys from the mess room. They usually attack over here on the right. But as you can see, they've already attacked on the left. You guys are way early. You're supposed to be ready when you get here. You know how that works, right? Alright, so there's another boat coming. Get ready. We're going to be back, alright? I'll be back in 10 minutes. Do it right this time. Alright, so here comes a rare sight coming up. Something few people ever get to see. Well, except me. I get to see it every day. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I now proudly present the one and only Backside of Water! Sometimes we refer to that as O2H. Well, we're now in the Mekong River, Southeast Asia, home of the Khmer Empire. Up ahead is an ancient temple. Off the right of the hill behind a rock is a statue of the ruler of the temple. Her name is Shirley, so this must be Shirley's temple. Didn't see that coming. These bamboo shoots grow up to 6 stories tall. Some say 7, but that's another story. There is no telling where this temple leads. Could be treasure, could be a dead end, but this is Disney, so it's probably a gift shop. Do you want to go? It's going to be a painful experience. See the lines on the walls? We entered a root canal. I know, 6 minutes to go. Okay, left and side, many purple, suspendial fire looks like things can be up to 20 feet in a single bound. It's a good thing we're only 4 feet away. Come here, first celebrity sighting of Tiger Woods. It's a golf joke, don't get teed off. It's only fair when you tell a joke far from the course. Join the club. Oh, imagine a civilization about the temple such as this, and then up and disappear. But that's what they did. Still, there is a light at the end of this tunnel. We should go towards it. Over the hill. Second celebrity sighting, the Golden Girls. Isn't that sweet? Every 5 minutes, 6 statues. Those bigger heads, shoulders. Oh, cool, we got something. This is big, this is huge. I think we just stumbled on a secret bathing pool of the Indian elephant. Aren't they cute? Everybody say, aww. Yeah, it's okay to stare and take pictures. They have their trunks on. Big Shot's got her own private shower. Looks like she's been in a while. She's getting all wrinkled. I just love baby elephants, don't you? Little barbecue sauce right now. Look at these little stripes with their little ears, their little eyes, a little nose, a little feet, a little... Oh, that's a big squirt. What you doing? Put that down. Buddy, go. Go on. Okay, good. I'm not going to be involved in the old London street. Wait, that's cool. That's what I'm talking about right there. We gotta go. It's Floyd. He's gone. He's coming back. Okay, you better duck. You better duck. Oh, did you see that? He forgot to pack his trunk. And a little dry humor for you. Alright, a lot of dry humor for you. Good thing, huh? So how many of you got up first thing this morning and said, Jungle Cruise, gotta do it? Yeah, me too. I enjoyed it so much, I'm going again. And again. Kids, remember, 4 years of college, 3 nervous breakdowns, and a bachelor's degree, you too can become a Jungle Cruise skipper. It's true, 4 years of college, got a bachelor's degree, drive a boat for a mouse, parents are proud. My brother. This is Trader Sam, he's our head salesman. Looks like business is shrinking. He's trying to keep ahead of the competition. He's offering a special 3 of his for 1 of yours. No matter how you slice and dice and chop it off, you always come out ahead on the deal. Wow, we made it back. Up on the dock, we have some rare flat-footed, brown-footed albino pygmies. They will be assisting on the book of us and how, which pretty much means you're on your own. I think the one on the right might be an open local, but I can't remember. All right, so count of 3, lots of screaming, lots of clapping, trying to convince these people standing in line it's worth the wait, okay? All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Get out. Nice, sir. That's it.